Alright, I'm trying to see what splash guards are missing from my 2015 Honda Civic after hitting a chunk of ice during the ice storm. This down here is a replacement I bought on Amazon. It's supposed to fit my car, but I'm not sure if it does. But you can see here we got splash guards, and this is hard to film. We got splash guards up until about here, where it looks like it's been ripped here. And on the other side of this jack, I don't know if this helps at all. You can see, I'm not sure how far down the splash guards are supposed to go. I also removed another splash guard from behind the passenger side wheel over there, kind of where that jack stand is. It's smaller, I think, unless it's a big chunk of a bigger piece. So it's a mystery. I can't see how to line up this thing that I bought onto this thing that's really hard to show you with the amount of clearance I have with the jack stands underneath here. And I guess I need to, I don't know, I want to find the part numbers and just get the right crap here so I can maybe do it myself instead of giving Honda a bunch of money. Okay, thanks.